Have you ever looked at the deep blue sea and wondered why it's that color? While others just saw water, one man saw a secret of the universe. Welcome back to DD Education. Today we are celebrating National Science Day, the day India proved to the world that curiosity has no boundaries. But did you know this day isn't just about a Nobel Prize? It's about a journey that started on a ship in 1925 and leads us straight to a Vikasit Bharat in 2047. On February 28, 1928, Sir C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect. Simply put, he found that when light passes through a transparent material, some of it changes wavelength. This inelastic scattering was so revolutionary, it won him the Nobel Prize in 1930, making him the first Asian to win it in science. Today, his discovery isn't just textbook. It's used in Raman spectroscopy to detect everything from fake medicines and illegal substances to analyzing minerals on Mars. This year's theme is powerful: Women in Science Catalyzing Vikasit Bharat. We aren't just looking back, we are looking at the women leading India's scientific charge. From the rocket woman of ISRO who sent us to the moon and Mars to innovation in AI and green energy. India's progress towards a developed nation, Vikasit Bharat, is being powered by glass ceiling shattering research. National Science Day isn't just for scientists in white coats. It's for the student asking why, the coder building an app, and the farmer using biotech. It's about building a scientific temper, the habits of questioning, testing, and finding the truth. India is now a global leader in AI initiative like Bharat Gen and National Quantum Mission. The next big discovery, it could literally be sitting in your brain right now. So, this February 28, don't just read a fact, share one. Visit a science center, try a DIY experiment, or thank teacher who made you curious. Happy National
So this
Science
February
Day,
28th,
India.
don't just read a
Let's
fact,
keep questioning,
share one.
keep
Visit a
exploring,
science
keep
center,
innovating.
try a DIY experiment, or thank a teacher who made